Hi everyone, today I want to recommend the best Esim app for Montenegro, and you can find the link to it in the description below the video. I've tried many other Esim application and this one in my opinion is the best. So let me show you how it's easy to use. Just simply click on the link under the video and you will be redirected to Google Play. So here you need to download the app and sign in. Once you've done that, you will have $7.50 welcome bonus, which is crazy a lot. So here you need to just simply click on Esim shop and find your desired country. In my case, it will be Montenegro. So here you need to choose the best option for you. I will choose 20 gigabytes for 13 days. Click on buy now, I understand, and here you can select how much welcome bonuses you want to spend. Also, you can enable international calls. So click on next, add a new card, buy now, and here you need to add your payment information. Once you've done that, you're ready to go. So that's it. With excellent coverage, huge welcome bonus in $7.50 and competitive price, you will definitely like this app. So go to the description of the video, use the link, and that's all. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.